we have this gorgeous 1 total carat weight necklace. What you're doing is you are choosing your color. So it's either rhodium plated 14 karat white gold. Now that rhodium is a member of the platinum family, and that just helps protect the white gold. So this is not plated over sterling silver or the 14 karat yellow gold. So real 14 karat gold here. You're choosing the color of your metal and you're choosing the color of your diamond pendant. So right here in front of me is the absolutely beautiful pear. Very, very just kind of a soothing, elegant, beautiful, very modern shape here. Only 1 doesn't remain. And of course, you can see those 2 different gold colors, the 14 karat at the top, 14 karat yellow at the top, and the 14 karat gold on the bottom. Total 1 carat weight there. And then moving on to the center, the heart, you're not seeing the white gold one represented. We just don't have a sample, but we definitely do have it available. And I just love how I would say substantial the heart looks with those diamonds. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like way more than a carat to me. And then moving over to our cross. That's your 3rd choice in terms of pendant. And again, your same choice, 14 karat white gold or the 14 karat yellow gold. This is an expiring price. Saves you about $85 if you do decide to get it before the end of the day. We're also offering free shipping and handling. And just a reminder, this did sell out the last day we presented it. If you want the heart, we just sold out in the white. Last call in the gold. So that was actually perfectly done. We don't have the sample and we've sold out of it. So this is the only option we have left in the heart. Michelle Lau, introduce us to this beautiful piece. I mean, it's an 18-inch chain, and it's beautiful with the different colors, but it's really those diamond pendants that are so beautifully done and really sizable.
And so sentimental.
Yeah.
You know, I think the cross and the heart are obvious, you know, as far as the sentimentality goes. A cross is a symbol of our faith, of course, something that is the most personal piece of jewelry that we own. It's right there next to our heart. And so, you know, even if you wear it inside of or underneath a turtleneck sweater in the winter, you know it's there. You live in that. And I think it's just an upgrade in every single way possible. You're seeing a really nice close-up shot of the chain. The chain is an upgrade. Remember, the chain is also solid 14 karat gold, and that is 1 full carat of diamonds. It is weighty. You were so right when you were talking about how substantial it is.
Right.
It's fully finished on the back. It lays beautifully. I love it. The heart shape is my heart. It's a modern version. It's not too girlish. It's something that you could give to, you know, your daughter. Maybe she's heading off to college, or it's a sweet 16 and she'll wear it the rest of her life. But it's not too kiddish, I guess I'm trying to say. Right. It's just a very elevated look for a heart diamond pendant, really all done in brilliant round, isn't it? I know, I totally think it is. Really and then special. I remember the last time when you and I sold those out, we were talking about the pear shape and how much you liked it.
Yes,
I'm curious. So is that what it was? I couldn't remember. I remembered that you loved it, but I couldn't remember what it was that drew you to it.
You know, it reminds me. I think it's like, you know, and listen, I love all things heart shaped, and I'm not as much of a cross symbol person, but there's something about, you know, you get used to certain shapes, but this is very. I'm going to say it reminds me of a very high end designer who works for the store where they have or I should say, has done designs for the store with the blue box, where she plays with so many curves and lines.
Yes.
And so this reminds me of that kind of.
She comes from a very artistic family.
Exactly. So that very modern sensibility, I think, is what reminds it of it. But there's still an elegance and a timelessness to it. And I think that's because it feels the most fashion forward to me. That's probably why.
Yeah, and again, it elongates the neckline. It elongates the décolleté. So if that's what you want to do, if you want to make your neck look a little bit longer, if you want to, you know, the visual weight here is obvious. It actually gives it a bigger look than a 1 carat pendant. So that if you want that really does it, if you want the really big look, then I would go for the teardrop shape.
I think so too. I mean,
personal preference,
Yeah,
but
really
it's
pretty.
gorgeous. And again, these are diamonds. These are our firelight diamonds. They are grown in a laboratory, much like roses are grown in a hothouse. But make no mistake about it, they are diamonds through and through. So I have a list of questions that customers have been asking me since the last time I saw you, right?
Yes, I
And
love
they
that.
wanted to know if lab grown diamonds are cheaper, and if they are, why?
Mm.
Well, on average, lab grown diamonds are between 30 and 40% less than what you would pay for natural diamonds when you go to the store. So, it just, do you want them from the ground, or are you okay with them from the lab? How do you make a decision between the two? You make the decision on what's important to you. It's a very personal decision. So if you want the rarity and the scarcity of a diamond that was in the earth for billions of years, then you go with our affinity collection. If you want a bigger, more perfect diamond, that something that's high tech, for example, or you're just a really modern person and you want to give this a shot, then I would go for firelight. You will get a higher degree of clarity, and you will get a more colorless product with the firelight lab grown diamonds.
Now, you may notice my little setup here has changed a little bit. That's because we've sold out
Yeah.
completely of the heart, and we sold out of the pear shape in the 14 karat yellow gold. So you're seeing your three remaining options. We have sold out of three options. There we go. So 3 and 3. All right, so here we go. Here
So
is
glad you like it.
yeah, I mean, and again, this sold out the last day we presented this, Michelle. So it's no surprise. I mean, there's just something about this that is elegant, iconic, but again, a full carat weight of these lab grown diamonds that look like so much more than that, set in 14 karat gold. Your choice is of the cross. We still have both metal choices available. Both 14 karat gold. You're either choosing the 14 karat white at the top or the 14 karat yellow. Only a dozen remaining in each. We've sold out completely of the heart. We've sold out of the pear shape in the 14 karat yellow gold, but in the white gold, last call. So if you do love that pear shape as much as I do, make sure you get this one home. The price will go up at the end of the day. And remember, one full carat weight, free shipping and handling. We also have 12 months special financing available if you shop with your QVC credit card. Not one penny of interest if you pay this in full within 12 months. That ends up being about $63 a month to get home this absolutely stunning necklace. J365913. Oh, okay, clearance price.